Hello everyone, I am Fiona. This video will show you another application of a heat exchanger in an EPS packaging factory. See how to use waste exhaust steam to save energy. This EPS packaging factory has about 20 sets of EPS-shaped molding machines. The drainage pipe from each individual EPS-shaped molding machine in the factory is collected into a main drainage pipe, which is connected to the heat exchanger. Through the heat exchanger, normal temperature water can be heated to 80-90 degrees. The specific temperature it can be heated to varies depending on the number of EPS-shaped molding machines in use and the weight and density of the foam products being produced, but the working principle remains the same. The heated water is transported through the upper outlet pipe to the boiler in the factory to provide hot water for the boiler, achieving energy saving by increasing the temperature of the boiler's intake water. In addition, the pipe on the left is used to discharge excess exhaust gas. For more information about how to save energy for an EPS plant, please contact us by email or mobile phone. We will be happy to answer your questions. See you in the next video.